Shalini. So, as the Senior Manager Quality and Audit Head, because we know that quality and compliance are, it's the foundation of supply chain. So, how do you think an organizations integrate quality assurance more deeply into supply chain operations to drive consistency? Because that's what you manage, right? So we would like to hear a bit from you.
So in my current role, starting point is to educate people, right? What I understood throughout my experience, that if you tell someone that this is the reason and this is how it is impacting, or it can have something go wrong, and if you are able to convince them that doing this is going to harm the business or doing this is going to harm our product, somewhere they will get convinced and they themselves will come out with the solutions. So this is how I start. Whenever in my profile, when I go to do the audits or when I verifying the compliance, I never put it that, this is the finding or this is the gap or this is not, you are not doing correct. Rather, we engage that if we do in a better way, if we engage in a better way, if we have a better way to do it, which helps the business. So again, same line that, anything, everything should be somewhere connected with the business. Somewhere it should help your customer to be satisfied. Somewhere the voice of customer should be considered, should be heard. So you have to put your points. You cannot say that because it's a compliance requirement or it is my wish list or somewhere organization wanted to do it. So it need to be connected with the business. It need to be converted into the facts. It need to come out with the output. You need to demonstrate to your management that these outputs are something which is going to help the business. Then only you will be able to convince the team for the compliance, for the investments, if you need investment in the compliance. Very much thing which I also wanted to incorporate here is that nowadays when business is changing, supply chain is changing, and the requirement of customer is changing, the old way of playing game is not going to work. We need to change ourselves. We need to keep hearing our competitors which are there in the market, and we need to go digitalized. The thing like we are talking on data. So manual data is not going to help us. There are a lot of issues which comes out, when we go in the detailing of the data, whether data is reflecting right or not, because now the data points are innumerous. So we need to go digitalize, and those digitalization is going to help us in a better way, a better compliance, and making our lives easy also. So this is what is overall, this role is something which, or the output of this particular portion of the business, something which brings into the organization.